Everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to come on this evening and share with you this chunky charm I made that I finished today. And it is from a bracelet craft kit that I picked up at Michael's some time ago. It was on clearance. It comes with two bracelets that you can make. Both of them have mermaid tails on the end. They're and 28 beads with the cord to make the bracelet, but I tossed the cord because I knew I wanted to make this chunky charm. So it's a purse charm for sure. That's why I'm going to send it to a friend in some happy mail. So I'm using this heart shape latch here, and then I did the wire wrap, and I found this heart shape bead in my stash, and then I wire wrapped the rest of the beads onto the chain, and I also used some jump rings. Some of the beads have these little rubber sequins, I call them. Some of them have sequins on the end. They're white beads on the end, just a hobnob of different beads. I just wanted to keep the color as ocean blue, mermaidish looking as possible. And then you can see at the bottom the two mermaid tails. So very fun to make. Very inexpensive, and it looks really rich and beautiful. So I hope she likes it, and I hope you guys try to make one yourselves. Have a great day now. Bye.